In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track referrals and engage referral partners in HubSpot. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to maximize their customer relationship management and enhance marketing efforts. We'll walk through a straightforward process that you can closely follow, even if you're a beginner. Let's get started on the HubSpot website. If you're already familiar with the platform, this should feel like a natural setup. Once you reach the homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. This is your go-to spot to access your personalized HubSpot account. Simply click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see various login options. For this session, we recommend signing in with Google. It's often quicker and more secure given that many of you might already be signed into your Google account on your browser. Just click Sign in with Google and choose the account you wish to use. This integrates seamlessly and supports your workflow by minimizing extra steps. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your CRM. You can find this by looking through your homepage menu or directly accessing the customer relationship management tools. The CRM is the heart of your HubSpot experience as it stores all the data related to your contacts, deals, and more. Now, go ahead and click on Contacts. You've probably interacted with this section before if you're familiar with managing your leads or current clients. Here you'll find all your stored contacts readily available, and it's where you'll start your referral tracking process. Select the specific contact you aim to track as referred. This is essential as it drills down to individual collaboration scopes and facilitates better engagement with referral partners. With your contact open, let's direct our attention to the Actions drop-down menu situated at the top left. Go ahead and give that menu a click. From here, choose View All Properties. This step allows you to explore in-depth details about your contact, including specific fields that might not be immediately visible. These properties are customizable and can be tailored to suit the necessary information you need about each referral. In the right panel of the Properties window, type in Referred. This action serves to identify the connection or introduction channel for the contact. This metadata is crucial for analytics and tracking purposes, enabling you to credit and follow up with referral partners effectively. As a final step, start typing the name of the person who referred this contact. Entering this information guarantees the data is correctly categorized and ensures you can generate accurate reports on referral traffic and contributions over time. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive method to track referrals and engage your referral partners within HubSpot. This process not only enhances your understanding of client origination, but also fosters stronger relationships with your referral network. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials.